unpopular opinion in my circles, but I very much like learning about photosynthesis in class. I know most people in sciences hate it, unless they're very specifically into botany and stuff, but I like it specifically because no matter what class, we've gone over photosynthesis in like 3 different classes at this point for me, and every single time, without fail, the professor consistently just clowns on RuBisCO so hard. So, photosynthesis is the process that plants use to turn like carbon dioxide, water, and into glucose using sunlight and all that, and RuBisCO is the enzyme that helps fix carbon from carbon dioxide so it can be turned into glucose. But the fun part about RuBisCO is it just sucks shit. Absolutely shit tier enzyme, just bad, and it's so funny because every professor just dogs on it so hard, and it's kind of well deserved. An enzyme is a biological molecule that increases the rate of reaction, biological reactions, makes them more efficient and go faster. But RuBisCO is just terrible at its job, and any biochemist or like botanist or whatever will tell you, like, yeah, RuBisCO is awful at its job. It's such a cringe fail enzyme. And like, it's true, RuBisCO's turnover rate, it does 3 reactions every second, which sounds fast, but in terms of enzymes, some can get up to like 100, 200, 1,000 reactions per second. So 3 reactions per second is not a lot. It is a very slow enzyme. And also, it makes mistakes all the time. It's super sloppy, it has a very high error rate, and just kind of does not care about it. You know those retail workers, you walk in and you know they hate their job and they don't want to be there? That's RuBisCO. It's slow, it's sloppy, and it does a bunch of other shit as well. Like, it catalyzes a bunch of useless side reactions to make stuff that the plant doesn't need. So, yeah, and it's the most abundant enzyme in the world because there's a lot of plants, and since it's so stupidly inefficient, the plants need a lot of it to actually get photosynthesis done. There's so much of it, and it's just absolute garbage. Bad at its job, sloppy, inefficient, and does a bunch of other stuff that it's not supposed to, like your least favorite coworker. But it's absolutely essential to everything. It's like one of the most important enzymes in the world because without photosynthesis we wouldn't have anything, and without RuBisCO there's no photosynthesis. It's just so funny to me, and I love learning about photosynthesis because you get to hear professors' take on why this enzyme absolutely sucks shit.